Hi kids, today's subject GK and today's our 21st lesson of GK is directions. Okay, so let's start the lesson. Study the direction of different places labeled in the map of India. Here is a map of India. There are several places are there and there are directions are there. This is the north direction, this is south, this is east and this is west. Based on this map you have to find out the answer of the given questions. Okay, circle the correct letter of the direction of the given places. Okay, so first is Himalaya. Where do you find Himalaya? Himalaya is in the north, so you have to circle north. Then Arabian Sea. Where do you find Arabian Sea? In the west. Okay, then Bay of Bengal. This is Bay of Bengal, so you have to circle E. Then Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is to the south, so you have to circle yes. Then Jammu Kashmir. This is Jammu Kashmir, so you have to circle north. Maharashtra. This is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is in west side, so you have to circle W. Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu, so you have to circle south. Assam. Here is the Assam, so you have to circle east. And Kolkata. This is Kolkata, so you have to circle east. Okay, in this way we know the directions of the given places. In this way we finished our today's lesson.